What if I told you that Google just turned your browser into an AI powerhouse? China's building AI supercomputers that rival America's best, and Wall Street banks are making billions with AI tools. Plus, AI can now identify literally anything you point your camera at. Let's dive into the biggest AI news that's reshaping our world right now. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down some massive AI developments that just dropped, and trust me, these aren't your typical tech updates. We're talking about game-changing innovations that are happening as we speak. So grab your coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump right in. First up, Google just unleashed what might be the biggest update to search we've seen in years. They're rolling out new AI mode features that are absolutely mind-blowing. Picture this. You can now use Search Live with video input. That means you can literally point your camera at anything, a math problem, a broken appliance, even a plant you can't identify, and have a real-time conversation with Google's AI about what you're seeing. It's like having an expert on speed dial who can see exactly what you see. But wait, it gets better. They've added something called Canvas. Imagine having a digital workspace where your AI assistant helps you plan projects, organize information, and it remembers everything across multiple sessions. Students are going to love this for study planning. And here's the kicker. You can now upload images and PDFs directly to AI mode on desktop. Working on a research paper? Upload your source documents and ask the AI specific questions about them. It's like having a research assistant that never sleeps. Oh, and if you're using Chrome on desktop, Google Lens is now integrated right into your browser. See something interesting on a web page? Just click Ask Google about this page and select what you want to know more about. The future is literally here, folks. Now, let's talk about Adobe's latest bombshell. They just rolled out beta Photoshop features that are going to make every designer's jaw drop. The star of the show? It's called Harmonize, and this is pure magic. You know how when you're creating a composite image, you spend hours trying to match the lighting, shadows, and colors? Well, Harmonize does all of that automatically. You literally drop an object into a scene, click one button, and boom, it looks like it was always there. The AI analyzes the surrounding environment and adjusts everything to blend seamlessly. They've also added generative upscale, which can enhance any image up to 8 megapixels without losing quality. Got old family photos that are low res? This will make them look like they were shot yesterday. And the improved Remove tool? It's now powered by a dedicated AI model that's scary good at removing unwanted objects and filling in the gaps naturally. No more weird artifacts or random objects appearing where you removed something. Honestly, these aren't just upgrades. They're completely changing how we think about photo editing. Here's something I didn't see coming. Yelp is creating AI-generated videos about restaurants. And no, these aren't your typical boring promotional videos. Yelp's AI is analyzing thousands of reviews, then creating custom videos with AI-generated scripts and voiceovers. But here's the clever part. They're using actual photos and videos that users have posted. So you get this professionally narrated tour of a restaurant, showing real dishes, the actual interior, all based on what real customers are saying. Imagine you're trying to pick a place for dinner. Instead of scrolling through dozens of reviews, you watch a 30-second AI-created video that shows you the most popular dishes, what the vibe is like, and highlights from actual customer experiences. It's like having a friend who's been there give you the inside scoop. This is a game changer for how we discover local businesses. And mark my words, this is just the beginning. Soon, every business listing could have its own AI-generated video summary. Now let's talk about something that has massive geopolitical implications. China just unveiled its AI action plan, and folks, they're not playing around. At the center of this is Huawei's Cloud Matrix 384, a beast of an AI system that's designed to compete directly with NVIDIA's top-tier products. Here's what's wild. It uses 384 AI chips working together, delivering around 300 petaflops of computing power. To put that in perspective, that's more raw power than NVIDIA's GB200 system. Now, there's a catch. It uses almost 4 times more energy than NVIDIA's system. But China's approach is clear. throw more hardware at the problem to overcome individual chip limitations. But it's not just about the hardware. China's proposing a global AI cooperation organization and releasing an action plan that focuses on building a completely domestic AI ecosystem, transforming their entire economy with AI integration, developing alternative chips since they can't access the latest from NVIDIA, creating frameworks for global AI governance. They're essentially building a parallel AI universe, independent of Western technology. And with companies already adopting systems like Cloud Matrix 384, they're making serious progress. This isn't just a tech race anymore, it's reshaping global power dynamics. Speaking of game changers, let's talk money. JPMorgan just dropped some numbers that made my jaw hit the floor. They've deployed AI tools to 200,000 employees. That's basically their entire workforce. And get this, they're projecting between $1.5 to $2.5 billion in annual business value from these AI implementations. That's billion with a B. They're using AI for everything from risk assessment to fraud detection, customer service to trading strategies. Imagine having an AI that can analyze millions of transactions in seconds to spot patterns humans would never catch. Or AI assistants helping relationship managers provide personalized insights to clients. This isn't some far-off future, it's happening right now. And when the biggest bank in America is going all in on AI like this, you know we're at a tipping point. Other banks are scrambling to catch up, but JPMorgan's already counting their billions. The message is clear. AI isn't just a nice-to-have anymore. For big businesses, it's become essential for survival. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about Grok, Elon Musk's AI that just got a massive upgrade. Grok can now identify anything you point your camera at. And when I say anything, I mean it. Point it at a weird bug in your garden? Grok tells you what species it is. See a cool car on the street? Grok gives you the make, model, and even estimates the year. Find a mysterious tool in your garage? Grok explains what it's for and how to use it. This feature, called Grok Vision, is available now on iOS, and it's integrated right into the voice mode. You can have a conversation while showing Grok things through your camera. It's like having a super knowledgeable friend who knows literally everything about everything. What's really impressive is that it's analyzing everything in real time. No uploading photos and waiting. Just point and ask. And it understands context too. Show it ingredients in your fridge, and it'll suggest recipes. Point it at a math problem, and it'll walk you through the solution. This is the kind of AI assistant we've been dreaming about. One that actually helps you understand and interact with the physical world around you. So there you have it. Google's making search visual and interactive. Adobe's automating what used to take hours of work. Yelp's creating AI video tours. China's building AI supercomputers that challenge the West. Wall Street's making billions with AI. And now we have AI that can identify anything we point a camera at. We're not just talking about the future anymore. This is the present. These tools are available now or coming in the next few weeks. The pace of change is absolutely insane, and it's only accelerating. Here's my question for you. Which of these developments excites you the most? And more importantly, how are you planning to use these tools? Drop a comment below. I read every single one, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. If this video blew your mind, smash that like button and subscribe with notifications on. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, the future isn't coming, it's already here. Peace out.